Here is a more detailed, exam-ready elaboration of sodium thiosulfate, expanding each section with deeper clinical, pharmacological, and nursing relevance. Sodium thiosulfate detailed study note. 1. Basic information expanded. Generic name sodium thiosulfate. Chemical formula NaS2O3. Drug class antidote cyanide detoxification. Reducing agent chelating-like detoxifier. Common brand names, generic formulations widely used, no dominant global brand. Available forms, IV injection, 10%, 25% solution, most common. Topical preparations, rare, antifungal use. NaSH, definition expanded. Sodium thiosulfate is an inorganic salt that functions as a detoxifying agent by supplying sulfur groups to neutralize toxic substances, particularly cyanide, converting it into a less toxic and excretable compound, thiocyanate. Mechanism of action in depth. Primary mechanism, cyanide poisoning. Cyanide inhibits cytochrome oxidase in mitochondria, blocks cellular respiration, causes cellular hypoxia. Sodium thiosulfate provides sulfur donor molecules. Works with enzyme rhodinase, converts cyanide, CNs, thiocyanate, SCN-. Thiocyanate is much less toxic, excreted via kidneys. Secondary mechanisms, antioxidant effect, reduces oxidative stress. Chelation-like effect binds certain toxic metabolites. In calciphylaxis, increases calcium solubility, reduces vascular calcification. 4. Pharmacokinetics, detailed. Absorption, immediate, IV route, distribution, mainly extracellular fluid, does not extensively bind plasma proteins. Metabolism, occurs in liver via rhodinase enzyme. Elimination, renal excretion as thiocyanate. Half-life, sodium thiosulfate, 15 to 30 minutes. Thiocyanate, longer, can accumulate in renal failure. Special note, accumulation risk in kidney disease. Number 5, uses, expanded clinical uses. Primary, cyanide poisoning. Industrial, smoke inhalation. Secondary, off-label, calciphylaxis, especially in dialysis patients. Prevention of cisplatin-induced toxicity. Treatment of arsenic toxicity, iodine toxicity, dermatology, tinea versicolor, topical use. Number 6. Indications, detailed, confirmed or suspected cyanide poisoning, smoke inhalation victims, house fires, patients with metabolic acid, high lactate, suggestive of cyanide toxicity, chronic kidney disease with calciphylaxis. 7. Contraindications, absolute, known hypersensitivity, relative, severe renal impairment, risk of thiocyanate accumulation, fluid overload conditions, IV volume concern. Number 8, precautions before administration. Assess renal function, creatinine, electrolytes, acid-base balance. Use caution in pregnancy, category C-like use, only if life-saving. Elderly, reduced renal clearance. Monitor blood pressure, oxygenation, mental status. Number 9, how to use clinical administration, given intravenously often after sodium nitrite or alongside other antidotes. Infusion guidelines, slow IV infusion, 10 to 20 minutes, avoid rapid bolus, hypotension risk, hospital setting only, emergency or ICU. 10 dosing information detailed. Cyanide poisoning protocol adults, sodium nitrite first, then sodium thiosulfate, 12.5 IV 50-25% solution. Children, 250 milligram kilo V, max 12.5 grams. Repeat dose, may repeat half dose if symptoms persist. Calciphylaxis, 25 gram IV, 2-3 times per week after dialysis. 11. Misdose, overdose. Misdose not applicable, emergency drug. Overdose effects, severe hypotension, metabolic acidosis, electrolyte imbalance. Management, supportive care, IV fluids, monitoring ABG and electrolytes. 12. When to stop? Avoid. Severe allergic reaction, anaphylaxis, persistent hypotension, signs of toxicity, confusion, acidosis. Number 13. Side effects, expanded, common, nausea, vomiting, headache, moderate, hypotension, dizziness, severe, metabolic acidosis, QT prolongation, thiocyanate toxicity, especially in renal failure, confusion, psychosis, weakness. 14. Vital information, high yield points, must be used quickly in cyanide poisoning, works slower than hydroxycobalamin, often used in combination therapy, safe but requires close monitoring. Number 15. Drug interactions, sodium nitrite, synergistic effect, antihypertensives may worsen hypotension, nephrotoxic drugs increase toxicity risk, cisplatin protective interaction. Number 16. Drug comparison feature sodium thiosulfate, hydroxycobalamin, sodium nitrite, Mechanism: converts cyanide, binds cyanide, forms methemoglobin. Speed: slow, fast, moderate. Safety: high, very high, risky. Use: adjunct, first line, combination. Number 17, patient teaching. Patient teaching is usually directed to the patient and caregivers because this drug is given in a hospital emergency setting. 1. Purpose of the drug. Explain that sodium thiosulfate is used to treat poisoning, especially cyanide poisoning, help the body remove harmful toxins safely. 2. How it is given. The drug is administered through a vein, IV injection, infusion, only by trained healthcare professionals. Patient does not self-administer. NASHA 3. What the patient may feel during administration. Mild effects, warm sensation, nausea, slight dizziness. Reassure patient, these are usually temporary and manageable. 4. Important symptoms to report immediately. Tell patient to inform the nurse doctor if they experience severe dizziness or fainting, difficulty breathing, chest pain, confusion or unusual behavior, severe vomiting. And 5. After treatment care, patient may need blood tests, monitoring of kidney function, electrolytes, acid-base balance, encourage adequate rest, follow-up visits if advised. 6. Precautions to explain. Inform doctor if patient has kidney disease, history of allergy to medications, special populations, pregnancy, drug used only if necessary. 7. Diet and fluid advice. Usually no strict diet restriction, adequate hydration may be encouraged if not contraindicated. 8. Drug interactions awareness. Patient should inform healthcare provider about all current medications, herbal supplements. 9. Safety advice. Since drug may cause dizziness, avoid sudden standing, prevent falls. Continuous monitoring is required in hospital. 10. Reassurance. Emphasize. This drug is life-saving in emergencies. Administered under strict medical supervision, side effects are closely monitored and managed. Short exam answer, quick recall. Explain purpose, antidote for cyanide poisoning. IV administration by professionals. Report severe symptoms, breathing difficulty, dizziness, monitor kidney function and labs. Inform history of allergy, kidney disease. Thank you. Have a nice day.